My host today on the SEI Laser booth is Ettore Colico, who is the director of the converting business unit.
Hi everybody, and welcome to our booth.
Thanks, Ettore. It's a pleasure, and it's a pleasure to see that you have something new.
Yes, this innovation is not only in the technological equipment or way, but is a kind of new philosophy that must be developed today and in the future more and more.
Okay, are you happy to show me the new baby?
Yes. So basically we have a Labelmaster, so the platform is Labelmaster, but we have introduced the new features and new modules. So starting from the unwinder, this is a traditional unwinder with a junction table and drifting control, electronic drifting control. In this case we have a Corona device to help the printing station.
Yes, especially on plastic materials, right?
On films, yes. It's an option, but it's quite mandatory in the case of printing. And then we have finally the news of the show, that is this new module, Kyojet. Kyojet is a four colors plus white Inkjet UV technology, with the latest Inkjet UV technology, and it is in line with our laser die cutting system, with our Labelmaster. So practically, like you can see, it's a module can be fit into existing Labelmaster lines or new lines, of course, and it is all integrated from the beginning to the end of the line with our workflow and with the workflow of the customer. This is our idea and the concept that we want to develop and introduce in the future more and more in our proposals. Because it's not time to discuss about the technologies, it's time to integrate the different technologies together for a full success of the business of the customer.
Okay, the big question is, in a market that in the last 5-6 years, Labelexpo after Labelexpo became more and more overcrowded of digital print technology,
yes, right.
Offline, nearline, inline, integrated, hybrid. Okay, was it really necessary to bring a new part of the offering, bring a new solution?
All these technologies like Inkjet UV or others are not under discussion now. The focus is what is possible doing to integrate all the technologies together for a full single pass from the PDF to shipment. This is the reason of the Kyojet and of the new developments of SEI Laser.
Okay, and if we move ahead on the line.
Yes, stop just a moment in front of Kyojet. I can open the cover.
Thank you. Thanks.
So we can show four colors plus white. We have in the last technology with the LED pinning lamps and final curing. And also in the future we can add additional colors.
Okay, I see. Yes, I see. You have some empty spaces.
You can see more slots. Now are empty, but it's possible to have 6 colors. And so
plus white.
Plus white, even with special colors dedicated to some particular application. First of all, for example, security. So in terms of resolution, is high resolution 600 by 600 native, and also is possible 900 and 1200. But we don't want to be competitors of existing manufacturers of the digital printers. This is a different concept. This is a different proposal to customers. Mm-hmm. So we are not playing in the same field. We are playing in two different fields.
Okay, and what are the particular applications, the unique application that you see for this machine, for example?
Yes, for example, if you consider that the average production is only 10, 15, 20 meters of substrates, which is the real cost? The substrate, the ink, the energy? No. the real cost is the logistic, is the operations, is the operator cost. And all these issues are not solved by the single technologies, but these issues are solved by the integration of all the technologies together to save setup time, to save idle times, to save material, to save energy, and to have a go-to-market time very, very short, unparalleled to any other technology. This is the solution we are developing more and more, and today we are showing in Labelexpo.
Okay, the more you go in line and the less you touch the rolls. Stopping
for 10 meters of substrate, if you touch 5 times, you are losing money, because the value of the 10 meters is so low, so small, that it's not possible to move into 5 different equipments. Printer, converting, slitting, control desk, and blah blah blah. All is in one with the Labelmaster and Kyojet. This is the concept.
Downstream,
yes, after the printing station, we have a buffer. The buffer the buffer allowed to save material. Anytime the machine is stopped for any reason, the buffer can cover the not printed paper and move back.
Okay.
So we have the laser module with all the camera and sensors for accuracy of the laser and synchronization, encoders and all the shells we need for the laser accuracy and synchronization. Labelmaster is the famous laser die cutting. In this case with 2 lasers, 500 watt each.
Okay.
So we are fast. At this moment, Kyojet and Labelmaster are working at 55 meters per minute. So it's a very, very good speed for digital, and considering that all is in line.
Having a less powerful laser unit, maybe with just one head, would result in a slow.
Yes, with the one single laser, probably the speed of the digital press must be reduced.
To be reduced.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we have the scrapping module with some feature, for example, the automatic back scorer. So between one job and another, the back scorer move in a very short space. So don't to have the edges to be wasted in a second time, but are rewinded into the scrapping module. And then we have the rewinding system with the automatic turret, the automatic slitting scissor blades.
Okay.
All is motorized, all is automatic, and keep the file in position and offset by the file, by the workflow.
Okay, these units help to separate the jobs, the different jobs in the same role that come out from the...
Additional, because it's not, we have not to bring with us in the exhibition, but there is an automatic core cut that prepare the course for the next job with the right side. So all must be automatic without the operator activity.
Okay.
The less possible.
Okay, who is the ideal user, the ideal customer for this kind of configuration? Maybe a web to print, web to label.
Right. Yes.
Let's call it like this.
Web to print, web to label is the best customer for this line, because the runs are very short, and Labelmaster and Kyojet can solve the problem of the very, very small runs. Yeah. And this is the focus of the system.
Okay.
We are moving from the preparation of the job by the machine operator to the preparation of the job in pre-press. Everything must be prepared in pre-press or by automatically the website. And the machine can be fully set automatically without the operator. So position, kind of substrate, number of copies, and blah blah blah. All is kept by the workflow and is produced before to go to Labelmaster and Kyojet.
Okay, Ettore. So you mentioned that potentially you can add more colors, add more, increase the resolution. Okay.
Yes, probably will be in the next big exhibition. Probably will be Drupa next year. but we are moving more and more in digital in all ways, so probably will be the digital finishing with the cold foil that will be launched the next year. There are professional and big companies, they are playing a big role in this project, and of course we are also introducing our concept and our know-how, because we are developing this market since many years. So the combination of the different know-hows of important companies can win the game, and this is what's happening with Kyojet and Labelmaster.
Thanks, Ettore.
Thanks, Lorenzo.